A next step in vaccine research kicked off today. It actually exposes people to COVID-19 to the virus as part of what is called a challenge trial. Medical reporter Liz Bonus explains.
Hey there, everybody. Hello to you. We've been following this for a long time. The world's first medical trial now authorized to deliberately expose people to the coronavirus, now seeking volunteers. The goal is to step up efforts to better develop vaccines.
This is now the next phase of a trial at Oxford University. It was launched last April after Britain became the first country to approve what are known as challenge trials for humans involving COVID-19.
That's a trial where volunteers would be deliberately exposed to the coronavirus under controlled conditions to quickly test vaccines and learn more about COVID-19.
The first part of the trial was focused on finding out how much of the virus is needed to trigger an infection. It's still ongoing. Now researchers are recruiting for the second phase. They want to find out what kind of an immune response is needed in the body to fight it off.
If I need to be the person to step up to provide my body, to provide more data, provide more help in any way, why not?
Thomas Smiley is part of a group called One Day Sooner. He volunteered to participate early on if challenge trials are ever conducted on COVID-19 in the U.S. But infectious disease specialists warn these trials are not without risk.
It's very concerning to give patients a potentially lethal virus.
This statement released today, however, from Oxford University recruiting volunteers for this next phase shows researchers are close to establishing the weakest possible viral infection that leads to mild or no symptoms. That dose then would be given to volunteers already vaccinated or who've had the virus. It could help us quickly learn how little a boost your body needs from a vaccine to fight off the virus, and potentially lead to giving vaccines only to those when tested who don't have these levels of antibodies already in their blood.
Now, you might have guessed they are only looking for healthy participants ages 18 to 30. You'll be quarantined for at least 17 days, and if you do develop symptoms, they will give you monoclonal antibody treatment. I'm medical reporter Liz Bonus. Now back to you.
From